Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Netlify for hosting no-code app builds, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.netlify.com and press enter. Once on the Netlify homepage, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, you can choose to log in using your email and password. If you already have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If your login information is correct, you will be taken to your Netlify dashboard. In case you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up option instead. You will then be prompted to select a sign-up method. You can sign up using GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or email. If you choose email, fill in your details and create a password. After successfully logging in or signing up, explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface where you can manage your projects. To begin deploying your no-code app, click on the New Site from Git option. Now you are ready to start hosting your no-code app builds on Netlify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.